Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to apply for a Venus credit card. If you don't have a Venus account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click sign in/sign up. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for Explore. Under Explore is an option that says Venus Card. To proceed, click on Venus Card. Now on this page, you will see three sections. Apply Now, Manage My Account, and Are You Pre-Approved? To continue, click on the Apply Now button. To start your Venus credit card application, enter all the required personal information. After that, provide your annual income. Enter it on the field provided. Next, enter all the necessary information about the mailing address you wish to use. Lastly, enter your contact information. Now, read the disclosures presented in the electronic consent section of the terms and conditions. Also, read the credit card agreement. And after reading, click on the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Lastly, click on Submit. That's how you apply for a Venus credit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.